Very good morning, my dear students. How are you all? I hope all are fine and safe at home. Previous classes we have learnt force and motion. Today we are going to discuss about few more activities in our book. Once again we recall the force and motion. What is force? A force is a push or pull. Lifting, stretching, twisting, pressing cannot be seen. Its effects can be seen and felt. Has magnitude and direction. So children, force is a vector quantity. What is motion? An object is in motion when it's continuously changing its position based on a reference point and as observed by a person or device. A car from one place to another place, that is, the movement of object is also known as motion. The object is in the movement is known as motion. First of all, we are going to see the activity. Can you tell me the answer, children? Can you identify whether it is pull or push that results in motion in the following cases? First of all, you can observe these images. Here, one girl pulling the bucket to fetch the water. Which one is answer? Pull. Correct, children. The shopkeeper pushes the vehicle to move forward. This is push or pull? Very good, children. This is push. The boy pushes the wheel to move forward. So the answer is push. Here also the answer is push. The boy pushes the swing to move forward. So the answer is push. A man pulled the bullock cart rope to stop the vehicle. Is a push or pull? Yes, children, the answer is pull. Once again I tell you, the man pulled the bullock cart rope to stop the vehicle. Answer is pull. Here, he is pushing the hammer to insert the nail. So the answer is, very good, children, push. Okay, children, we will see the next event. Hi, please answer, honey, by observing the situation in the picture. Okay, children, you will observe the picture and tell the answer. The man in the boat is moving with respect to the bank of river. He is at rest or moving. The man sitting only, no, children. That's why we have considered he is at rest with respect to the boat. Even 2. The girl on the swing is moving or rest. Right, children, moving is the answer. With respect to the seat of the swing. She is dash with respect to the garden. Moving or rest? She is rest with respect to the garden. Even 3. Nisa is going to her grandmother's house by bicycle. The girl on the bicycle is moving with respect to the road. C is rest or motion. Very good children. C is rest with respect to the bicycle. Next children, we are going to fill in the blanks. So fill the empty spaces. Move from the force can change the object. The previous class we have discussed. Force can change the object. Move from rest. Here the reversible process. Rest to move. The force can move from rest or rest to move. Change shape. Change shape. We are bending the steel. The force only we will apply. Then change direction. If you are going to bicycle or car used to turn, force only we are using here. Change the speed. Compress or expand. Can you give example for contact and non-contact force? Contact force and non-contact force. The previous classes we have discussed the contact force and non-contact force. Examples of contact force. Kick a football. Another one example. The man stopped the bullock cart. Next, the non-contact force. Magnet attracts nail. You know very well, children. The magnetic substances is attracted by magnet. So magnet attracts nail. Coconut falls on ground. Hi students, tell me the type of motion. I am watching the path of my motion. See, the honeybee is moving in a straight line is also known as linear motion. The honeybee is moving in a curved path is also known as curvilinear motion. The honeybee is moving in a circular path is also known as circular motion. The honeybee is moving in the irregular motion is also known as zigzag motion. The honeybee is moving in a oscillation here and there and here is oscillatory motion. Okay children, listen carefully. We will calculate the average speed. I have travelled 160 km in 2 hours. Taxi, car. Then the bus driver. I have travelled 20 km in 4 hours. Truck driver. I have travelled 300 km in 5 hours. Can you say who travelled with highest speed? Okay, we can calculate first. Then we will know the formula, average formula. So average is equal to speed. Average speed is equal to distance covered by time taken. How do we say? Let us calculate how long they travelled in 1 hour. Distance travelled by the car in 1 hour. We can say here. So already we know 160 by 2. The answer is 80. The answer is 80. Then we already known the bus travelled 200 km in 4 hours. So the distance travelled by the bus in 1 hour. So distance what? Distance covered 200 km divided by time taken. How? 4. So 200 by 4 is equal to 50 km. Next one children, the distance travelled by the truck. Already we know the distance travelled by truck is 300 km in 5 hours. So 300 average speed is equal to distance covered 300 time taken 5. So the answer is 60 km. Have you found out? Say now. Fastest is the car. Slowest is the bus. Very good children. We will move on the next problem. Let us calculate. A car travelled 150 meters in 10 seconds. What is its average? You know children, the formula, average speed formula. Average speed is equal to distance covered by time. So the given distance 150 meter. Seconds, right children? 10 seconds. So average speed is equal to distance covered by time. So 150 by 10. The answer is 15 meter per second. The meter per second is a unit. You must write in the unit. Next, the Priya ride her bicycle 40 km in 2 hours. What is her average speed? We can apply the formula here. Average speed is equal to distance covered by time. So, the distance is 40 km, the time is 2. So, the answer is 20 km by hour. Children, already we have discussed the motion and its classification. Motion is classified 3 categories. Is based on the path. The motion is classified to linear motion, curvilinear motion, circular motion, rotatory motion, oscillatory motion and zigzag motion. Based on duration, the motion is classified to 2 types, periodic motion and non-periodic motion. Based on speed, the motion is classified to 2 types, uniform motion and non-uniform motion. You know children already the linear motion, moving in a straight line like a person walking on a straight path or free fall. Curvilinear motion, moving ahead but changing direction like a throwing ball. Circular motion, moving in a circle, swirling stone tied to the rope. Rotatory motion, movement of a body about its own axis like a rotating tap. Oscillatory motion, coming back to the same position after a fixed interval time like pendulum clap is the best example of oscillatory motion. Zigzag motion is also known as irregular motion, like the motion of a bee or people walking in a crowded street. Okay children, I am giving homework to you. You must finish this homework and send to your concerned science teacher. Thank you children. Take care.